Hello and welcome to Board of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a First Move Forward Rollover, not to be mixed up with a First Move Rollover, which is where the rollover goes backwards. There's a video for that. I'll put a link in the description below. In fact, it's probably a good idea to learn that one first and then learn this one. So, jumping in, it looks like this. Obviously, it covers a little bit of ground. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. There is an alternative timing which is slower than the one we just showed you, and we'll give you a footnote on that later. So jumping in, it goes back 1, standard first move, in 2, twist out 3. This is where we get our rollover. So what's going to happen is, guys, we're turning to face the lady, the left hand is down low, we release them with the right hand side, we keep turning right, ladies keep turning left, that hand rolls up, over the top, we've got to reach back to make sure it's going over the lady to make it comfortable for her. We keep turning, we bring the hand down, we're not slowing down yet, we open up, so that we are effectively in a twist out. And now we're going to switch to a twist out back into a normal first move, and we're going to do it really quickly, so we're going to go 1, 2. Then it's just finished the first move off. In, under and face, return and back. Do the same thing from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3. This is the fast bit. Get roll over 4, open up 5, twist out 6, in 7, turn 8, face 1, return 2 and back 3. We'll try it like that, and then I'll mention an alternative timing. So let's see how it goes. 5, 6, first move forward rollover. It's a back, in, twist, roll over, open, twist, in, under and face, return and back. Okay, so assuming that works, fantastic. If you're struggling with any of it, there are 2 things you can slow down. So you can go back 1 as before, in 2, twist out 3. You can do the rollover over 2 counts, so you can go 4 and 5. Then you can do the twist out 6. And then instead of taking 1 count to get to the other side, you can collect into promenade 7 and then twist out 8. So you've added 2 extra counts and then just finish the first move as usual. It's a good way of just making it a little bit easier if you're struggling with the speed of the first one, but if you can do the first one, it's going to give you a lot more kind of pizzazz out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and there's a music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.